Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. The border area along Ladakh and the plateau region of Tibet have extremely harsh climatic conditions and mostly inhabitable, which have earned them the adjective of cold desert. The Indian and Chinese troops operating in these areas have to experience this harsh weather condition. Recently, we have made a video on DRDO's cold winter clothing developed for these kinds of weather conditions and how it's important for Indian Army. Chinese PLA Army has been facing some challenges in these cold and high altitude conditions. The soldiers were facing a lot of challenges coping up with harsh weather conditions and are getting sick, and more frequently rotation of soldiers are happening along the borders. There are even unconfirmed reports of Chinese soldiers fleeing from these frontiers due to extreme cold weather conditions. Now China has turned towards technology to solve this problem. They are replacing soldiers with combat robots. As per new media reports, China is sending machine gun welded robots to the frontier to exacerbate the situation. According to the media reports, dozens of autonomous vehicles capable of transporting both weapons and supplies are being dispatched to Tibet, with the bulk being deployed in the border regions where Chinese troops are engaged in a standoff with Indian troops. China has fielded two unmanned vehicles for this purpose. One is Sharp Claw and another one is Mule 200. Sharp Claw is a small tracked unmanned ground vehicle UGV developed by Chinese company Norinco. The UGV weighs 120 kg and is 60 cm high, 70 cm long and has an operational range of 1 km. As per Norinco, the UGV can be armed with a 7.62 mm light machine gun. The vehicle can also be integrated with short-range electro-optical payload, machine vision and lightning suit. China is also working on its bigger version Sharp Claw 2, which is going to be a 6x6 wheeled UGV which can carry reconnaissance, patrolling, assault and transport missions in dangerous, dirty, monotonous and dull combat environments. Mule 200 is a medium-sized multi-purpose crawler and tracked vehicle that can accompany infantry units and be used to transport ammunition and supplies. The UGV has a unique ability of transporting ammunition inside its hull. It can also be equipped with firearms to provide fire support to close ranges, and its caterpillar tracks can allow it to travel over a variety of terrain, and it has gasoline electrical hybrid engine offers a top speed of 50 km per hour while it has a range of about 50 kilometers. Around 120 to 200 mules have also been dispatched to Tibet, the majority of which will be stationed near the border. Apart from UGVs, China has also sent 70 plus VP-22 armored military vehicles and 150 Lynx all-terrain vehicles along the borders. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.